Hey, what's going on, YouTube? Happy New Year. We made it, 2021. So, came over here, do a little something, Just wanted to drain the fluids, take something off, radiator off. Brought some more goodies over here. Good old well. Shaved and, well, y'all gonna see outcome. Radiator fans, headers, rear sway bar, dry shaft. Hopefully it fits. Cross member. Only thing missing is the rear and a couple small things. But yep, just a few days away from the big day. Thursday's going down. Gutting out the whole car. A few days away. Stay tuned.